God, what is this? I'm making a video? It's easy to go from behind your job out to fishing. So I'm gonna toss this lizard out a couple times and see what we can do. I know it's not catfishing, and I have to go to my in-laws this weekend to mow, our first mow of the year. But I see shad jumping all over the place, so I'm going to assume something is chasing them. Sorry for the wind. It's been windy for weeks here. Finally got done with the house. Y'all been seeing the pictures. Next is going to be the kitchen and bathroom gut. It's going to be a total gut though. And then that's about all for the house. It's only a 2-bedroom house, and we've done both bedrooms in the living room, so that'll be nice to have the whole house complete. There's just tons of fish over here jumping out of the water. I don't know what they are, but I'm gonna try to catch one. Got it. Damn, I got it. Woo, I hope I was recording. Yes. Ah, that's a good hook. Alright, he's bigger than the ones I've been catching out. See, he's pretty long, but he's not very heavy. Alright, let's let him go. Oop, there he goes. Boom. Got him again. Got another one. Yes. Is that a catfish? That's a daggone catfish. Sure is. Look at here. Country Girl Catfishing is back in action. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I can't believe I just caught a big old catfish out there. Well, big for here, that's for sure. Huh. There he goes. Wrong way. He'll figure it out.